The Road Accident Fund says the High Court in Pretoria was wrong in its judgment, allowing undocumented foreign nationals to claim from the fund. RAF has told the SCA that the judgment contradicts South Africa's Immigration Act, which does not allow anyone to enter the country illegally. It says the presence of illegal foreign nationals in the country in itself is a criminal offense, and that the amendments of the 2022 ministerial directive made on the form to establish the victim's accident location during the crash are just.
During argument, I think the nature of the minister's decision was raised in argument in the High Court. And I think the answer to that was that it is in the nature of a policy decision. And we have also looked at other similar matters where we have been involved, but not necessarily this one. And the answering affidavit does classify that decision as a policy decision.
The defense has argued that other criminals have not been excluded. They submitted that it has never been suggested that a thief driving a stolen car, an unlicensed driver, or a pedestrian crossing a highway could not claim from the RAF, arguing that all these are illegal acts. They've questioned why then our foreigners illicitly in South Africa seem to be excluded from claiming, adding that immigration status should not be a determining factor of who can claim from the fund.
The contention by the appellant that they need a passport to ascertain whether the illegal foreigner was injured in the Republic of South Africa, that's absurd, because all you have to do is look at the police accident report, and that will tell you where the accident happened or where the victim was picked up by the emergency services and transported to the nearest hospital.
Then the illegal foreign nationals also contribute to the fuel levy. Section 19 of the RAF Act contains specific exclusion of the application of the RAF Act. So had the legislature wanted to exclude an illegal foreigner, it's fair to say that that would have been included under Section 19, where there are other specific exclusions that is dealt with.
The policy decision is guided and only by legislation. And that is what is forgotten by the RAF. The Constitution tells us that's the Supreme Court law of the country, and then there's legislation. A policy cannot be contrary to the authority granted in any of those. And this is exactly what is happening here.
Some of the issues that the bench wanted clarity on include whether a foreign national on asylum can access the Road Accident Fund. Makhala Masiteng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.